Can you give a demo? Like, जैसे, this is very exciting. मतलब chakra scanning. I'm not going to leave the opportunity. So yeah.
Okay, you want me to scan your chakras?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind.
Okay, cool.
You have my permission to scan.
Great. All right. So, your Mooladhara chakra, your sacral chakra, your solar plexus, your heart, so basically, you have a lot of blessings. Your work is entirely running towards blessings.
Thank you.
And so they are like all the chakras are in the development stages. Like they are developing, they are growing, and everything is fine. It's like you are right on the path. Keep doing what you are doing. You will see more abundance and more growth in your life.
Interesting. Anything specifically you saw? So all of them are aligned. All of like
A bit of disalignment, but it's like workable.
काम चलाओ चल रहा है हमारा यहाँ
चल जाएगा, काम चल जाएगा.
So basically, when somebody comes to you, like individual, now you scanned, you said I have. So like, do you have any specific things that you mentioned to that person?
Totally depends upon the requirement of the person.
Questions.
Yeah, questions also and requirement also. Like what the person exactly needs, because every time it would be different. And different person is completely different reports. No reports can be same. It's like very different. Like for example, yesterday only, a person came to me and I was scanning him, and I told him that your Manipurna chakra, that's underactive. And then I asked him like, how's your connection towards your mother? Because he was a PR person. So he was like, it's all good. I go, okay. But it is showing me that some connection with your mother is weakened.
Okay.
So you can see if, and after 10 minutes, he said to me that, actually, it's been 4-5 years. I'm not able to connect to my mother the way I used to. I'm not able to, I share all my problems with her, but I am not connecting to her.
Got it.
I'm not listening to her.
Well, it has become superficial at a level.
Yes.
It has
Well,
become
it's like
superficial.
you are bonded emotionally with someone. It's like you are an open story. But with right now what's happening with people living together also, they are sharing, they are doing work, but they are not emotionally bonded. Sometimes it's one way, it's not being two-way. The
Most of the time it
expectation,
is not.
yeah. The expectation levels are different, and their understanding, they hide something from someone because they feel that they are being judged.
Yes. Vulnerability नहीं है.
Vulnerability नहीं है.
Vulnerability नहीं है.
Acceptability नहीं है ना, इसलिए
Awareness भी
vulnerability
नहीं है.
बिल्कुल नहीं है. तो उस वजह से and he accepted that after that, yes, this is the problem. मैंने कहा just start talking to your mother and you will feel the changes.
Yeah, I think the life that we want are behind the decisions that we don't take. Right? And a lot of times those decisions are hard because that exactly one decision can change your life. Hence it's hard.
Yes.
And जितना मैंने realize किया, like, obviously as you said, I definitely feel it's like a divine intervention कि मैं बैठ के आजकल लोगों के interviews ले रहा हूँ, I'm having my own podcast show or team, or I literally have goosebumps every time because I had a very bad accident. Almost died, came back. I definitely count this as my second life. Right? तो अगर उनकी इच्छा नहीं होती तो नहीं होता. And I have always believed in this concept of surrender. Right? So I have surrendered. My act is to be the best instrument possible.
Yes.
Right? And that is what I'm trying to do.